Adrian, what is this?
This is an elephant. This is a fish. This is a girl.
Girl.
One. How many elephants? How many elephants? 1, 2, 3. How many fishes? How many fishes? 1, 2, 3.
Angeline, how many fingers are there?
2 fingers.
2 fingers.
Yeah.
Angeline, how many fingers?
5 fingers.
Là chỗ hả chỗ đó.
Good morning, Sue. Good morning, Jack. Good morning. Bye. This is boy. Teacher.
This is a boy. A boy.
This is a teacher. Song. 1 boy, 2 boys, 3 boys, Jack. 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, Sue.